Introducing the Bugatti Veyron. In the world of automotive legends, there was a name that stood tall and set a new standard for speed and luxury: the Bugatti Veyron. This masterpiece from Bugatti transcended being just a car to become an engineering icon and a relentless pursuit of perfection. The name Bugatti became synonymous with high speed, making the Bugatti Veyron a living example of excellence in the automotive world. It became one of the fastest cars in the world. Yet the joy of speed enthusiasts and those who appreciate flawless performance was not complete after its production ceased following the release of 450 units. So what's the story, and how did it begin? In this article, we will extensively discuss the history of the Bugatti Veyron and what you need to know about it. The model history of Bugatti. In the heart of the world of luxury and high-performance cars, Bugatti stands out as a symbol of excellence and innovation. Bugatti was founded in 1909 by Ettore Bugatti, an originally Italian car designer known for his splendid designs and meticulous engineering. Ettore's philosophy was to combine artistic beauty with engineering performance, leading to the production of cars that are considered true art pieces on the roads. From its modest beginnings in the town of Molsheim, France, Bugatti demonstrated its dedication to innovation and quality, producing cars that performed exceptionally in European races, earning an excellent reputation in sporting circles. Over the following decades, Bugatti expanded to include the production of cars that blend elegance and power, resulting in the creation of some of the classic car icons. With the advent of the new millennium, Bugatti faced new challenges and unique opportunities as consumer tastes and technology evolved. Under the leadership of the Volkswagen Group, the company experienced a significant revival, producing cars like the Bugatti Veyron and Bugatti Chiron, which are now considered among the fastest and most technologically advanced cars in the world. Today, Bugatti continues to push the boundaries of innovation in the automotive industry, affirming Ettore Bugatti's legacy of combining art and technology, and continuing its pursuit of perfection in everything it manufactures. Reviews of the Bugatti Veyron. The Bugatti Veyron consistently garners high praise from car enthusiasts and owners. Reviewers highlight its astounding performance capabilities, often describing it as the fastest and most exhilarating car they've ever driven. What makes the Bugatti Veyron so special? Bugatti Veyron is a high-performance supercar manufactured to the highest standards of luxury and technology. Its distinct features include exceptional performance. The Bugatti Veyron showcases remarkable performance with a top speed of over 250 miles per hour, a 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration time of 2.5 seconds, advanced aerodynamics, and an exceptional braking system that enhances its high-speed stability and safety. Unique design. The Bugatti Veyron's unique design combines a strong carbon fiber monocoque structure, a striking two-tone color scheme, and the iconic horseshoe grille, encapsulating a blend of classic Bugatti elegance and cutting-edge supercar aesthetics that enhance both its performance and visual appeal. Precision manufacturing. The Bugatti Veyron's precision. Manufacturing is exemplified by its meticulous assembly process, advanced materials, and state-of-the-art technology, ensuring unparalleled performance and quality. Each Veyron is hand-assembled by skilled craftsmen at Bugatti's facility in Molsheim, France, using components like titanium, carbon fiber, and specially designed aluminum alloys. Advanced technologies. The Bugatti Veyron features cutting-edge technologies that set new standards in car design. It has a powerful W16 engine with 4 turbochargers, a fast-shifting 7-speed transmission, and an all-wheel drive system for better control. The car adjusts its aerodynamics on the go with a moving rear spoiler and wing to keep it stable and efficient at high speeds. It also has a special hydraulic system to lift the body over bumps, keeping it safe and comfortable. Rare and exclusive. The Bugatti Veyron is produced in limited quantities to maintain its status as one of the most coveted supercars in the world. Each model is built with meticulous attention to detail, often customized to the owner's specifications with unique colors, finishes, and interior designs. This exclusivity is bolstered by its high price tag and the prestige of owning a vehicle that represents the pinnacle of automotive craftsmanship and engineering. All in all, this is a great car to drive. If you find this video informative, leave a like on this video and also subscribe to us at Carfax Official so we can bring you more content like this. Until next time.